You and I, each and every day, each and every time, work on strategies. So what are strategies and how they are helpful in our life? This we will understand in this video through a very interesting experiment. So please do watch this video till the end so that you will get a complete understanding of how strategies are important in our life. And when you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you will get regular updates on self-improvement and self-development videos. And when you have found this video helpful, please do share this video with your loved ones and also like and also comment as which part of this video was helpful for you. You can also follow me on Facebook with Syed Mutasim. So let's start today's topic. So what is a strategy? Strategy is a means to attain a specific outcome, a beneficial outcome, wherein you utilize your behaviors as well as your thoughts. So you set a pattern whenever you are doing something, and this is ingrained in your unconscious mind. But when you started from the least, initially it was not like this, because when you started to form a strategy, it was a conscious effort and you did it each and every time consciously, whether it is something remembering, forgetting, or is it getting angry, parenting, or learning a new skill. Each and every time you did it, it was a conscious effort. And when you did it repeatedly, it got ingrained in your unconscious mind, and that became a strategy. So now coming down to this experiment, in a classroom, there were certain adults and also some of the children. And in this experiment, what the researchers did was they actually where normally the place of the knob holder is, they have replaced it to the other end of that door. So once the class was over, the adults were allowed to leave the room. When they reached this door, they were helpless to find out how they can open the door, because they were just pulling the knob, which was the other side of the door and which was not the real place to open the door. So by this experiment, we can know that they were just following their strategy of opening the door, which was on the opposite direction. So now when they did not find that to open the door, they just came back and sat into the room. After a few minutes, children were allowed to just use the same door to get out of that room. So when they just reached that doorknob, they found that it was impossible to open. So they did not stop there. They just found some other way, that is, they actually pushed the other side of the door where the doorknob was not present, and they just came out easily and effortlessly. So to say this experiment, it is that when we as adults have been programmed to organize certain things in a certain way over time, by doing it repeatedly, we have followed a strategy to as simple as like opening the door. And when we are in that conditioning, we are not finding new ways as how we can actually open new opportunities and new possibilities in our own life. So by using this doorknob strategy, we can also find that children who are not going to school and also they are open to new opportunities and new possibilities and being creative, they have found it easy for them to open that door from the other end. So I hope that this is giving you an understanding like how strategies work in our life and how we can actually come out of our comfort zone each and every time when we find that there are many possibilities in our life, so that we are not falling to the old strategies and not getting growth in our lives. So I'm sure that this video is helpful for you to organize your strategies wherever in your life it is. And when you have found this video helpful, please do share this video with your loved ones and also like and also comment on the video. And when you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing it. Inshallah, I'll be back with yet another helpful video soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.